Hello everyone, in this video I'll go ahead and show you how to disable the job length so that a customer or provider does not see it. So if you don't want them seeing how long a service will take while a customer is booking, or when a provider is inside their dashboard, you don't want them seeing how long it will take to perform the service. If you don't specify to them how long they should be there, anything like that, you could go ahead and disable that as well. So this one looks like it's already disabled, so I'll show you how it looks like when it's enabled and also how we could disable this one. Okay, so there's a couple things that you could do. For the customer, if you don't want it showing up at all, you could go ahead and disable it from under the settings, industry, and then we could go ahead and go under form settings, and here you could completely turn off the time. Okay, so do you want customers to see how long the service will take during bookings? So here you could decide if they see it on both ends or one end only. Okay, and now if you go under the service category for every single form, you could control if you want to disable it completely. Okay, so here under each service category, you will be able to see an option, display service linked on customer end, and here you could disable it for both, and only keep it for yourself, that only when you are booking you will only see the job length while customers will not. Okay, and then you could also enable a tooltip that you could go ahead and add a message here that when a customer is booking, now they will be able to see that actual booking. So let me show you how that looks like. So we are under dog walking, form 2, and we could go ahead and click on, we'll just put something like test, and we'll go ahead and put that they could go ahead and see it on both ends. Okay, and display service linked on provider end, we could do the same thing here, so that the provider sees it or they don't. So we'll keep it as they can see it, and we'll enable it as yes for now. So we'll put test here as well, and we'll go ahead and save this category. Now when we go ahead and take a look under their accounts, let's go ahead and refresh the booking form. Okay. So now when we go to form 2, here is the new tooltip that we placed, which says test. And if we want to disable this whole thing, you would just put in and under that option and switch it that only admin can see it. And if you want them to see it when they're not logged in and they're booking on the front of your website, you could do so. Or if they're logged in and booking from inside their account, then you would select customer backend only. Okay, and you would have to do it per, you could do it per form, and you could do it per service category as well. And then you could do the same thing for a service provider as well. So let's see if we have anybody that used form 2 when they were booking. So let's see, dog walker, perhaps this would be a form 2. Okay, so there it is. So we set this up for form 2, and then you could see that a provider can see how long that appointment should take, and you could also add a tooltip for that service category, which this service category is dog walking. If you want to specify certain things for that service category, you can go ahead and set that up here and let them know about job lengths, or turn this off completely so that a provider does not see any job length from here.